Friends, it was a long time ago that a poor and orphan boy lived in village Rampur. His name was Rahul. After the death of his parents, Rahul had no home. Without any support, he would somehow fill his stomach by doing small jobs. Sometimes he would cut grass from someone's field and sometimes he would graze someone's buffalo. People would give him some rotis to eat in return for his work. And this was his living. At night, he would sleep outside the old temple of the village, curling up in the cool breeze, looking at the stars in the sky and wondering if his life would ever change. One day, hearing the taunts of the village people, Rahul decided that he would not stay here anymore. He wondered if fate had to change. So I will have to go out of my village. The same night he reached the small railway station of the village without a single penny in his pocket. But he had big dreams in his heart. He hid in a goods train without a ticket and headed towards the city. Rahul realized as soon as he got down at the big railway station in the city that this place is very different from his village. There was a crowd all around, but no one had time for anyone. Feeling hungry, he sat in the corner of the station. After some time a porter saw him sitting there. The porter came to him and said, "Hey child, why are you sitting here like this?" Rahul slowly told his story to the porter. The porter looked at him with sympathetic eyes and said, "Son, no one in the city will give you anything for free. If you want to live, so you will have to work hard. Only those who work hard are valued in the world." Rahul asked softly, "But what can I do? I have neither money nor any work." The porter smiled and said, "Why don't you also work as a porter? Here everyone makes his own luck. God also helps him who helps himself." Following the porter's advice, Rahul started working as a porter from the next day, carrying the luggage of the passengers, and started earning money in return. After working all day, he would sleep in a corner of the station at night. He was still cold and hungry, but his courage was strong. One day a businessman got down from a train wearing a white dhoti and kurta. Looked like a respectable person. Rahul ran to him and said, "Sir, should I pick up your luggage?" The businessman looked at him and said, "You are very young, why do you do this work? You are of the age to play and jump." After listening to her, Rahul slowly narrated his story and told that he is an orphan and wants to change his destiny through his hard work. She said, "Sir, I have learned that nothing is achieved in life without hard work." The businessman, whose name was Rambola, was impressed by his words and courage and said, "Son, I appreciate your hard work and dedication. There is a clothing warehouse nearby. If you want to work, then come with me. I will give you good work and money." Raju had tears of happiness in his eyes after listening to the businessman. He folded his hands and said, "Sir, you changed my life." Rambola smiled and said, "This is the result of your hard work, son. God has sent me to help you." Rahul now started working in the warehouse with the businessman. He used to pack clothes, deal with customers and do every work with honesty. Rambola was very happy to see his hard work and dedication. Within a few years, Rahul achieved mastery in every aspect of Gordon's work. Now his age was 24 years. On the other hand, Rambola had turned 65 years old. One day he said to Rahul, "Son, now you have become expert in your work, now is the time that you start your own business. I will help you." With the help of Rambola, Rahul opened a small clothing shop. With his honesty and hard work, he made the shop successful. Gradually, his work started increasing. Within a few years, he also paid off Rambola's loan. Today Rahul is a successful businessman. He never forgot his days of struggle and now helps needy children and teaches them that luck can be changed with hard work and dedication. Friends, the story teaches us this, that our destiny is in our own hands. No matter how difficult the situation may be, if we move towards our goal with hard work and honesty, we definitely achieve success. Relying on luck is not enough to change fate. God also helps him who helps himself. Rahul not only accepted the struggles of his life but also created a new path for himself by fighting them. Friends, the story also explains this to us, that every small work should be respected. Every big thing starts with small steps. The results of work done with honesty and dedication are always good. Also, most importantly, do not let your courage break even when there is no support in your life. This courage becomes your biggest strength. Remember, your hard work is the biggest weapon of your destiny. Friends, if the story inspires you, so don't forget to like and share it, and also tell us your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such inspiring stories.